Hello students, welcome to another class of computer lessons. Today we are going to learn about our fourth chapter, that is uses of computer. So fourth chapter name is uses of computer. We know computer has many uses. To draw, we can play games, we can watch movies, and we do some calculations, etc. But the computer is used in many places. So can you give some examples of the places where people doing some working on the computer? Yes. Where are they? In airports, bank, schools. So these places, etc. Many other places, you can see people working on the computer. So which of the places? Airports. A-I-R-P-O-R-T-S. Airports. So, in airports, we can see some people doing work on computer. Some people do some work on working on computer. Then, next place, another place, can you give some example? Offices. O-F-F-C-O-F-F-I-C-E-S. In office, we can see some people doing some work on computer, right? Then schools. Next one, schools. Then another one, bank. So, in the places like here, airport, offices, school, bank. So these places we can see some people, they were working on computer. So first question, which are the places we can see some people doing on computer, doing work on computer? Which are the places? Airports, offices, schools and bank. Very good. Then the computer chips are also inside the high-tech gadgets like the calculator, automatic washing machine, mobile phones, etc. So that means the chip which is also fit inside the gadgets like automatic washing machine or mobile phones, calculators, etc. So such type of systems are called or computers are called embedded computers. What is its name? Embedded computers. Embedded computers means what? The computer chips which is fitted inside the gadgets, high-tech gadgets, and we cannot see that. So inside the gadgets it's known as embedded computers. So what is the spelling of embedded? E-M-B-E-D-D-E-D. Embedded. E-M-B-E-D-D-E-D. Embedded. How is spelled? E-M-B-E. Embedded. Embedded computers. Embedded computers means what? The computer chip which is inside the gadgets. The computer chips which we cannot see as they are and which is fitted inside the gadgets. So such computers are known as what? Embedded computers. Then what is its spelling? E-M-B-E-D-D-E-D. E-M-B-E-D-D-E-D. Embedded computers. Then let's learn about the usage of computers at various places. So first place is in computer animation. So what is the first place? In computer animation. Have you heard about animations, games, cartoons? So first use in computer animation. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the uses of computers in various fields. So the first use or the first place where computer is used is animation field. That means first we use the computers in where? Computers animation. In computer animation. So have you seen any type of animated cartoons graphics is done with the help of what? Computer. So computer graphics are pictures which is created on the computer. So computer graphics means the games, animated cartoons, etc. which is created on the, which is a picture created on the computer. So that is computer graphics are pictures which are created on a computer. Example, Paint, CorelDRAW, Illustrator. So first one is what? Computer animation. Computer animation example, games, animated cartoons, etc. Then these animated computers is done with the help of computer. Okay, so computer graphics means what? What is computer graphics? Computer graphics spelling GRAPHICS. What is the spelling of graphics? GRAPHICS. Graphics. PHICS. Computer graphics. Computer graphics means pictures. Computer graphics are pictures. Pictures spelling PICTURES. Pictures. Pictures created on where? Created on computer. Created. CREATED. Created on computer. Computer. Okay. So first, the uses of computer in where? Animation field. Okay. Then what is computer graphics? It's a picture created on the computer. Then examples. Paint. Paint spelling PAINT. Paint. Then Illustrator. 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 CorelDRAW. 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 These are the examples of computer graphics. So computer graphics. So the question is, what is a computer graphics? Computer graphics are pictures created on a computer. Simple. Then next is computer animation. Next is what? In the same topic, computer animation. Computer, COMPUTER. Computer. Then animation spelling animation. Computer animation is the art of creating illusions. Creating illusions of moving images using the computer. Illusions of moving images. For example, computer animation. So this is a ball. Just imagine this is a ball and the ball is bouncing. This is a ball and this ball go upwards and then go downwards, then go upwards, then go downwards. This is moving pictures. What is that? Moving pictures. So this moving pictures, using this moving picture of illusion, we can see the ball is bouncing. Bouncing ball. So this is simply a computer animation. So computer animation is the art of creating illusions of moving pictures using computer. So what is a computer animation? Animation spelling ANIMATION. What is a computer animation? Computer animation means it is the art of creating illusions. Actually the balls are not moving, but there is some there. Here we are creating some illusions of moving this picture. So that art is known as computer animation. moving, M-O-V-I-N-G, moving pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures, using, U-S-I-N-G, using computer. So first question, computer graphics. Second question, computer animation. Computer animation. Animation. So what is a computer animation? Computer animation is the art of creating illusions of moving pictures using computer. Example, unreal objects like a spaceship, dinosaurs, cartoons, space scenes, etc. were created using computer animations. Example, spaceship, space, S-P-A-C-E, space, ship, S-H-I-P, spaceship. Then dinosaurs, D-I-N-A-S-O-R-S-S-A-U-R-S, dinosaurs. Then space scenes, etc. are examples of the animated creations. Then, so the first use we learned, the first use is computer animation field. What is computer graphics? Computer graphics are the pictures which we created on the computer. Example, Painter, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, right? Second one, computer animation. Computer animation is the art of illusions of moving, creating illusions of moving images using a computer. Then example, Flash, 3D Studio, example, these are the animation programs. Then second application of second use is in aviation. So second use is aviation. In aviation, what is the spelling of aviation? A-V-I-A-T-I-O-N. So aviation spelling A-V-I-A-T-I-O-N. So second use is what? Aviation field. Then aviation means, aviation refers flying using aircraft. Aviation refers, R-E-F-E-R-S, refers flying, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying using, U-S-I-N-G, using aircraft, A-I-R-C-R-A-F-T-S, flying using aircraft. So second application or second field is in aviation. Aviation refers flying using aircraft. That means computers are used to design aeroplanes. Airplanes. So computers are used to design airplanes. So second use in aviation field. First, what is aviation? What is the spelling of aviation? A-V-I-A-T-I-O-N. It refers flying using aircraft. Then computers are used to design airplanes. Okay, so first point, what is aviation? Second point, then which is used to, or computers are used to design airplanes. Then another term, that is autopilot. Autopilot. P-I-L-O-T. Autopilot means it is a device which holds plane on a specific route even when the pilot is not operating its control. So what is a autopilot? Autopilot means it is a device. P-I-V-C, device pilots are not operating its control. The pilots are not, even when pilots are not operating its control, but autopilot is the device used to control the plane. That means it holds the plane on a specific route. That is the device autopilot. So the question here is, which is the device used to hold the pilot on a specific route when the pilot is not operating its control? Which is that device? Autopilot. What is its spelling? Auto. A-U-T-O. Auto. Pilot. P-I-L-O-T. P-I-L-O-T. So under the aviation, there are 3 points. First point, aviation means what? Aviation means it refers to flying using the flying using aircraft. Then second use, computers are used to design airplanes. Third, device autopilot, which hold what planes on a specific route even when the pilots are not operating its control. Then next is, so first application or first field is in aviation, second field is aviation, third field computers assisted hairstyling. Computers assisted hairstyling. Computers assisted hairstyling. Computers assisted hairstyling means it is a hairstyle imaging technology, and this enables you to see what would you like in any hairstyle or in any hair color without getting any actual makeover, right? So computers assisted hairstyling means it is a hair imaging technology. Sorry, hairstyle imaging technology. So this is a hair, H-A-I-R, hair styling, S-T-Y-L-I-N-G, styling, hairstyling image, hairstyle imaging, hair style imaging, I-M-A-G-I-N-G, imaging technology. Technology spelling T-E-C-H-N-O-L-O-G-Y, hairstyle imaging technology. Computers assisted hairstyling means it is a hairstyle imaging technology, right? Hairstyle imaging technology, and which helps you to, or which enables you to, which helps you to see what would you look like when experiencing different hairstyles or different hair color. What would you like, or how you look like in a different hairstyle? How you look, how you look, how H-O-W-U, Y-O-U, look, L-O-O-K, look like in different D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-G, different hairstyles or hair color. Hairstyles, H-A-I-R, hair styles, S-T-Y-L-E-S, hairstyle, hair color, hair, H-A-I-R, color, C-O-L-O-U-R, hair color, etc. Without getting actual makeup. So computers assisted hairstyling means it is a technology. Which technology? Hairstyle imaging technology. Hairstyle imaging technology, and this technology helps you to see how you look like in a different hairstyles or different colors, even when without getting the actual makeover. So that is the third one, computers assisted hairstyle technology. So first one, computers graphics or computer animation. Second one, aviation. Third one, hairstyling technology. And the fourth one is in sports. In sports. Fourth one, in sports. So have you seen a large screen board which is displayed during a match or a game? So these large screen board contain the scores of that game, right? So in sports, the main use of a computer or the common use of a computer is to see the scoreboard, so that is controlled by the computer. So computers are controlled. Sports scoreboards are controlled by the computers. Scoreboards are controlled by the group of computers. So we know in our stadium or during the match time there is a large big screen, and in that big screen displays a scoreboard of that match. Scoreboard. So scoreboard spelling S-C-O-R-E, scoreboard, B-O-A-R-D, scoreboard. This is the big screen and scoreboard of Team A and Team B. So this scoreboard is controlled by a group of computers. Scoreboard is controlled by group of computers. Group of computers. So this is the third use. Okay. So first use computers in animation. Second use computers in aviation. Third use computer hairstyling imaging technology. Fourth use in sports. We know there is a big screen which displays the scoreboard of that match. So this scoreboard is controlled by the computer, group of computers. And the fifth one is inside cars. Fifth one, inside cars. C-A-R-S, cars. Do you know? So there is at least one chip which is charged of monitoring the engine emissions or controlling the engine emissions. First point, in cars, computers a chip which is used for monitoring the engine emissions. Monitoring engine, monitoring, M-O-N-I-T-O-R-A-G, monitoring engine emissions, E-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Then if something gone wrong, so the computer asks or instruct the computer can inform the driver to check the engine. If anything or something has gone wrong, so the computer inform the driver. Inform the driver. Then third point, it manages voice response command. Voice response commands. And fourth point, there is a better navigation system. Better navigation system. Okay. So inside cars, The computers are used for monitoring engine emissions. That's the first point. Then another user, if something gone wrong, it inform the driver to check the engine. Then next, it manages the voice response commands. And then fourth one, there is a better navigation system. So, what are the 4 applications or 4 fields used in computers? First, uses of computers in different fields. Computers in various places. So first, in computer, first place in computer animation. Yes. So first in computer animation. Second one in aviation. Then third one, computer hairstyle imaging technology. Imaging technology. Then fourth one in sports. Fifth one in cars. So once again, in computer animation we know computer graphics. Computer, here we learn computer graphics, GRAPHICS. Computer graphics means which is the pictures created on the computer. Example, Paint, CorelDRAW, Illustrator. Then second one, computer animation. Computer animation means it is the art of creating illusions of moving images using computer. And third one, in aviation. Aviation refers to flying using aircraft. And in aviation, there is a device. So what is that device? Autopilot. AUTO, autopilot, which hold the planes on a specific route even when pilot is not operating the plane. Then next is computer hairstyle imaging technology. It's the technology that helps to see how you look like in different eras or different colors, etc. Then in sport, we know there is a large big screen during match which displays scoreboard, and so the scoreboard is controlled by a group of computers. In cars, we know it is used into monitoring engine emissions. Then it is used into navigation system, etc. So our 4th chapter is over. So we will continue next chapter on later. Thank you.